Where my peoples? Yeah, welcome back to another video of your boy, yeah, Rico Wing New. If you don't know the name, you better remember. If you don't know the name, you better get to know the name. Anyway, today we're back with another YouTube video. We basically, I did ask on my Instagram story, people must ask or give me like what would you do if questions. Then I just say what would I do, what would I then I just say basically what I would do if, like, yeah. But anyway, I got there was a lot of questions to the people that did give like questions. Is it questions? Yeah, questions. I couldn't. There's way too many. Like I did it two times on I posted two times on my story. Um, and it was just a lot. But I did choose a liquor lot. I have it written here cause I don't have a backup phone at the moment. But yeah, like the video, comment, subscribe, bro, subscribe. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. I know it's a lot of numbers, but yeah, just consider subscribing. It will help me out. It will help me out, and it would help me out. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. So yeah, where we starting? What would you do if your ex calls you from jail? I would. I think I would laugh her out. No, I wouldn't. I don't have exes. That's so like it's impossible for me to actually still do something because I don't have ex. Yeah. Anyway, on to the next. What would you do if you catch your girl playing with herself? I will play with. Now I'm just playing. I would tell her, "Yay, not doing that." Nah, but I don't know. I'll secret this. No, I would join. I'm lying. I would join. What would you do if you start dating a girl and later found out it was your father's child? Meaning, like, find out it was your sister. I think. Uh, I don't know, bro. Like, I'll just laugh. I'll laugh. I will laugh. I will laugh. Cause like that's crazy. Yo, to think now there's like actually does actually happen to people before. I'm just lucky it didn't happen to me. Cause, hey, bro, like when it, I don't know how that would have felt, but I don't know what I would do. I would just let go. I would tell her, no, 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 because I did kiss my sister. No, man, no, no, no. Anyway, on to the next. What would you do if you fail this school year? I'ma be real. If I fail, I drop out, bro. And I focus on my TikTok. I focus on my YouTube. I focus on you guys. Now I've been thinking about that, and it's not a nice thing to think about because school is draining, bro. Like it gets hard, it gets difficult. So I've been thinking about it, but I won't. I'll still continue focusing on school. But if it don't work out, then I'll focus on my content. So that's you guys. Okay, let's go on. What would you do if your girl cheats on you? This question was asked a lot, my bro, a lot. I mean, if she cheat on me, she cheat on me. But then that means that's not my girl. So what I would do, I'll go for your cousin, your sister, your auntie. I'll even try your oma. I'll go to your nuggies cousin. I'll go to your best friend. I'll go. Yeah. You don't. I don't like you're getting cheated on, guys. It's not for the weak. Like it's not for the weak. It's not for the weak. And honestly, I don't wish anyone could cheat on anyone. Must cheat on anyone, but if my girl cheats on me, I would just like tell her, you could have fucking told me. But that's why, guys, you must get to someone that don't cheat. What would you do if someone tried to rob your house? I don't know, bro. If someone tried to rob my house, ik zou me wegstick. Ik weet dat. Ik zou me wegstick. En dan, cause imagine how awkward it would be, bro. Someone rob your house in the middle of the night. You here, in your trunkie. You look at him, he look at you. No, man. Like, stick your weg rather. Wait till he's gone. Then you might go look what he stole, what you. Cause no, man. I'd rather not be awkward and. Oi, wat? Gaat slaap! Oh, man, wat zoek ze in mijn huis? Wat zoek ze in mijn huis? Jij, gaat slaap! Like, that would be so awkward, bro. No. Anyway, next. What would you do if the Cornhub community asked you to come and just twerk for 50 million rands? 50 million? I'm sorry, what did you say? 50 million? Bro, I twerk, bro. I'll twerk. Bro, you know what you can do with 50 million? Think about it. It's just twerk. It's even if you can't twerk, just make something. But I'll try something there. But 50 million like can go a long way. That's what I would say. What would you do if you just woke up in a random place that's not your house? What would I do if I just woke up in a random place that's not my house? I would go look for food firstly, because I can guarantee you I'm gonna be hungry. I'll go look for food. Then I'll go look like what is there that I can take for myself. Because you remember I'm not in my house, but I'm me, bro. Like maybe I want a watch, maybe I want a shirt, maybe I want a part tickets. You know, like I'll go shopping rather than panic. Yeah, rather go shopping than panic. That's just me. Yeah, that's what I would do. What would you do if you found out you adopted? Nah, I'll look my mates in the eyes. I'll look at my mommy, my daddy. I'll tell them. Could have told me with tears in my eyes, bro. You could have told me. You could have told me. Nah, let me be real. I don't think I'd have a reaction, cause I don't know, man. If I found out I was adopted, I would have just said, okay, then that's that. At least I like got the roof over my head while I've been not knowing that this is my real means. I've been getting fed. I've been loving my life. I've been being I've been being able to love my life. And then I would say to my real parents, fuck you for not coming to get me, bro. I won't say that, but yeah, I don't think I'll do anything if I found out I was adopted. Yo, but to think about it, imagine. Anyway, on to the next. What would you do tomorrow? Yo, that means a spelling, Owen. Spelling. To the people on my Instagram, spell properly, man. What would you do if you found out tomorrow you wake and you are invisible? What is the first thing you do? First thing I do if I'm invisible, I go to. Nah, wait. Let's think. Okay, I go first now to the bank. Get a bit of money there. Then you go to the beach. Sinzai. Then you swim. Kaalgat bos now because you're invisible. Then you go to your crush's house or your girlfriend's house or whoever you like. Misschien you go to Mariah Carey's house or whatever. You go there, you wait till it's China time for them to go wash it. Nah, that's creepy. Nah, I won't do that, guys. Forgive me, I won't do that. But like, think about it. Like you go to Jacob Zuma. Nah, Cheryl. I like Cheryl. You go to Cheryl's house, you wait for him to come out of the shower. You invisible much now, man. You wait. I won't do that, guys. That's creepy. But don't do that. No, man. On to the next, man. What would you do if you knew today was your last day on earth? I would have first, if I know, okay, today's my last day, I won't live tomorrow. First, I take a skummel because it's my last skummel, bro. Like, skummel is important, guys. Then, I'll eat. I go to a buffet, you know, like a place where buffet. I eat. My bro, I love food, yeah. So food has to be included. I go there, I eat me duck, but I don't want to also eat too much because I want to enjoy my last day. Then I rob a bank. I want to rob a bank because I want to feel how it feels to be chased by the police. I know the police here in South Africa won't even chase you, bro. They will let you go and then someone will find you. But yeah, I want to feel how it feels to be chased, be on the news, be everywhere, but just running with the money. Like, that's what I want to do. And then I'll rob a car place because I want to feel like I would feel being chased. Like, being on the push basically. Like, yeah, I feel like that's what I would do on my last day. Yeah, that's what I would do on my last day. What would you do? What would you do if a girl catfish you? If a girl catfish me, bro, that's when I find you. Misschien it's a man. Yo, I'll think, I say, yo, yeah, Rico, did that just happen or are you just easy? But then if it's a bro, my bro, I'll go to that bro, I'll tell him, Zai! Maak me verliefd. Sy is so proulie. En die oeg, stikkie kom, sien sy. But now I think if it was a girl that catfished me, I'll be straight, I would tell him why, like, I would tell her why. Be yourself. I would motivate her, like, don't catfish people, because now you make the people verliefd and everything, and then you're not even the person that the people is thinking you are. My English. But yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. If you get catfished by a girl, that just says you're easy to manipulate and easy to make too. Because, my bro, me, if I talk to you for the first day tonight, I want a video call. I want to see if you're real. Like, I never do that with the mindset of I want to see if you're real. But I just like video calling to get to know you better. Because I feel like when you text, people can lie. When you talk to them on the phone, you look at them and say, yeah, but like, what's your favorite position? Like, so, obviously not that, but you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, bro, we should be on a outkick. What would you do if a para put his finger in your mouth? I don't know what a para is, but I think a para bedoels like a homeless person or like a baby basically. Imagine like you tell me, oh, away bro, like oh, mm, fuck. Yo, mijn linkerhand gaat of mijn rechterhand, oké, dat is maar nou hier aan. Maar mijn rechterhand gaat ta. Het trap ik om ta. Tiener vriend. No, that's like it's still there in your back. Trap hem. Klap hem zomaar met hij aan, wat in je mond af. Like, I'll just. No, man. Nooit wie hij doen niet. Look at him and tell him, nooit wie hij fucking doen niet. Wat aan mij? Yeah, then you walk on. Then you tell him, nah, I'm sorry. Like, but like, then you bring your best friend and you tell him, nah, but like, I'm sorry, Gazi, but do it to him and I just want to give you food. Like, so then you. Now the best friend come. You love him out. On to the next. What what would you do if you lose all your accounts? I think this is also a question that has been asked. I don't know, man. If I lose my accounts, that's heavy. For me, like, I'm glad. I feel like I'm at the point in social media where I know how social media works. Since like I know when to post, how to post, when to not post, how to do this, how to do that, everything. Like, I feel like I'm glad I'm at that stage in social media. So I'll just create a new account. The people will forget you, or the people won't see your accounts, but they'll know your face. Sinzai. So I wouldn't worry still, but I would worry also because it's all my hard work, everything just like that. Sinzai. But then I'll just create a new account. I don't have a problem creating a new account. I'll just look back and think, all my accounts. What would you do if you were caught cheating red-handed? I'll tell the person that caught me, you didn't see any of this. I'll manipulate them into, no guys, I don't cheat. Wait, Rico switch on. I don't cheat. Like you won't catch me cheating because I don't cheat. Cheating is for stupid people. If you're stupid, you cheat. But the question is, what would you do if you were caught cheating? What would I do if I were caught cheating? I'll say like, no man, we're just joking. We're playing. Like, yeah. Say now, person come. There's a fly. I don't know if you guys can see. Vervelig. It's probably my X. But yeah, like the person come. You busy now? You don't worry, man. Don't worry. We just play. We just play, man. Beli ergens staan van relax. Beli ergens staan. Like that's what I would do actually. Cause imagine me, bro, being in that awkward stage, awkward situation, at your stage, awkward situation. Someone catch you cheating. I still wasn't doing mine. Nou man, moet je wijden, hoe speel, hoe speel, nee, man, this, kom weer hier, like, you know, that's what I would, that's what I would do, but anyway, on to the next. What would you do if you win the lotto? What would I do if I win the lotto? What would Rico do if you win the lotto? I buy me a car, I buy me a house, a moose house, and it's away from. Yeah, I throw a moose party. Everyone's invited, but you like don't crap him. Don't worry, we'll buy a new house. You can mess up everything. I buy me cars. I give for the time, I give for the pops, I give. But the other money, my bro, go to the strip club. Yeah, go to the strip. I always wanted to go to a strip club and just like throw money. Yeah, shake that ass, girl. I'm just playing, man. I'm just playing. But yeah, I would probably spend my money in a day up if I win the lotto. Yeah. On to the next question. And I would just like to say, if you came this far into the video, please consider liking the video if you haven't liked the video already. Why must I beg you? Look at me, Nigel. Look at me. Why must I beg you? Subscribe, bro. Subscribe. Do it out. Do it for you. Do it for me. Do it for the land. Do it for Cyril Ramaphosa, bro. Just subscribe. Comment what's your favorite part of the video. But yeah, let's continue. Last question. What would you do if your ex wanted to fix things? No. No, but like, no! I'll tell her, fuck you. But like, I'll do it. No. Yeah, Rico? No. I'll tell her, fuck off, man. You had your chance and you blew it. You're not wink at her. See? Are you beg for me now? You wanted to fix things now. What? No. Bye, Felicia. Now I'll tell her now bye. Like on a real note, if I'm being serious, what would I do if my ex wanted to fix things? I wouldn't want to fix things. I'm happy where I am, bro. I'll tell her. Fuck out of my life, bro. Like, no, bro. No. Nee. I'll tell her. Nee. Los me af. Anyway, I'm just, yeah, man. I don't have exes. You guys know my story. But, yeah, man. I enjoyed doing this video. Should I do a part 2? Part 2? Comment down if I must do a part 2. But then you guys must give liquor, like, what would you do if, cause there's a lot of weird questions on my Instagram which I did decide to not answer, cause let me just say that it's mostly the people from the alphabet community. And I have nothing against you guys, but it's a lot of just, it's not, no, I don't want to answer that. But yeah, if I did answer your question or if I did not, don't get me wrong, it was either your question was too out of pocket or it was just not worth answering. But yeah, let me stop. If you came to this far on the video, like the video, comment down what's your favorite part, Share this video to your aunties, your uncles, your omas, your opas, and yeah.